How to share YouTube link on your Instagram stories. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimu from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can share YouTube link on your Instagram story. But before we get started, if you're new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, we're going to simply copy the link of a YouTube video or a YouTube channel. For example, I will show you both ways, whether you want to share your YouTube channel link or whether you want to share a YouTube video link to your stories. So first of all, let's get started with the video one, as it is really simple. I will simply go ahead and open that particular video over here. Now, in order to just add some flavor, I will also go ahead and simply take a screenshot of this particular video. Once I take a screenshot of this video, I'm going to go ahead and edit it and then crop it to a desired size. So let me just go ahead and crop it to a half size, let's say for example, just this much, and I will simply save the changes. Once I save the changes, what I will do is now I will copy the link of this. I will tap on the share button, and then I'll tap on the copy link button. Once I copy the link of this particular YouTube video, I will go ahead and open the Instagram app on my phone. So let me just go ahead and open the Instagram app. As soon as you open the Instagram app, I'm going to add a new story. And first of all, I will simply select that particular screenshot, and let's say that we want to add a link to this video right over here. First of all, let me select the video, and you could go ahead and adjust this size to your own needs. Now what you want to do is, in order to add a link, if you find a link button at the top, that's perfectly fine. If you don't, then you could also tap on the sticker icon. Once you tap on the sticker icon, what you want to do is, in the search box right over here, you want to find the option which says link. So go ahead and simply tap on link, and you can see the sticker which says link. So go ahead and simply select the link. Over here, we will simply select the URL, or we will simply paste the link which you just copied of this particular Instagram video. Now we could go ahead and tap on the done button. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see this particular YouTube link right over here. I will go ahead and then actually also resize this to my own definitive size. And once done, if people tap on this, they'll be able to be redirected to this particular video link. So I will go ahead and tap on the Your Story button. Now let's wait until the story has actually been completed. I will go ahead and simply open it. If someone views it, they can simply tap on it and they can simply visit the link right over here, and they will be redirected to that particular video. Now let's say now that you want to share a channel link, the process is pretty much the same. So let's go ahead and simply select any of the channels. Let's say I will search our own channel, which is the App Guide. So let me just go ahead and simply search for a channel. Once you select this channel, let's say we want to share this channel link, what we will do is simply tap on the three dots or any of the settings, and you'll find this option which says share. So tap on the share button, and we will copy the link of this channel again, and we will also again take a screenshot of this particular channel. So go ahead and take a screenshot. Now taking a screenshot is really optional, but I will simply do that in case. And we will come back over here, and we will simply go ahead and add a new story, and this time again we will select another screenshot, and then again we will repeat the same processes as we did earlier. I will tap on the sticker icon, I will tap on link. So go ahead and simply paste the link of the channel right on this case, and once you paste the link of the channel, you can see I will tap on the done button, and I will go ahead and simply customize this again and tap on add to your story. And now when people visit those links, they will be redirected to that particular profile, and this is how you can share your YouTube link on Instagram story. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.